Bitcoin has also made a huge move today, 4%, 4.22% while I'm watching this chart. So it has made a great move. So we have to check, and the pattern we see is seems to be forming this pattern, trading pattern, which is cup and handle pattern. You can see here, yeah, this is showing up here. So that's like cup formation, and this is handle. So it may make a move from, so it was like $17,000, 15, it's like $30,000, it's like $16,000. So it could from here make another move of, once it breaks this this resistance level of this cup and handle formation, it will go up by $17,000, which is could be in this area, this last point. So but we'll see. It's not all the time, like people just guess through technical analysis, but sometimes market conditions stop it from going higher. Market conditions, manipulations, all those things. But we have to keep watching. But things looks positive, in both crypto sector and gold and silver sector too, especially because of this news of gold-backed digital currencies everywhere. USA launched central bank digital currencies, which will be gold-backed, and then also BRIC nations, they're also buying heavily gold this year. All this signaling that gold, silver, and most likely crypto sector will also go up, because people, contrarian investors, they seek alternative way of investment. Crypto is more popular among young generation because they are more inclined towards cryptocurrencies than gold and silver. But yeah, the people who are in their 40s at the moment, 40, 50 plus, they like to invest in more secure assets like gold and silver related stocks. So that's for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to get notified for the videos related to same topic. Thank you.